Hello friends, today we will read the question and answer of model paper for NCL Assistant Foreman Mechanical Exam 2020. Question: in lathe, the carriage and tailstock are guided on. Answer option B. Different guideways. Question: code heading is the process of. Answer option A. Chipless machining. Question: steel blades for extrusion are heated in the range of. Answer option C. 1100 degrees Celsius to 1200 degrees Celsius. Question: metallic cans are usually mass produced by the following process. Answer option B. Coining. Question: slag inclusion in casting is a. Answer option A. Surface defect. Question: blue color on the pattern is marked for. Answer option D. Never used in pattern making operation. Question: the trowel in a foundry shop is used to. Answer option D. Flatten and smoothen the sand during molding operation. Question: the temperature range for soldering process is. Answer option B. 180 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Question: in four-hand gas welding operation, the angle between the torch and work is kept around. Answer option B. 45 degree. Question: carburizing flame has. Answer option C. 3 zones. Question: which of the following metals can be suitably welded by TIG welding? Answer option D. All of the above. Aluminum, stainless steel, magnesium metals can be suitably welded by tungsten inert gas welding. Question: the flux in submerged arc welding is in the form of. Answer option C. Granules. Question: seam welding is. Answer option C. Continuous spot welding. Question: the usual ratio of forward and return stroke in shaper is. Answer option D. 3:2. Question: the size of abrasive grains in abrasive jet machining varies between. Answer option B. 10 to 50 microns. Question: the following cutting fluid is used with carbide tools. Answer option D. No cutting fluid. Question: drilling is an example of. Answer option D. Oblique cutting. Question: a grinding wheel gets glazed, shining cutting edges due to. Answer option A. Wear of abrasive grains. Question: the purpose of reaming is. Answer option C. To improve the finish of the hole. Question: in down milling, cutter teeth and workpiece move in. Answer option A. Same direction. Question: units of entropy are. Answer option D. Joule per degree Kelvin. Question: an involute gear should have minimum of. Answer option A. 8 teeth. Question: stretching in a belt can be controlled by. Answer option D. Reducing stress in the belt. Question: the friction moment in clutches with assumption of uniform wear as compared to uniform pressure is. Answer option B. Less. Question: spiral gears are suitable for transmitting. Answer option A. Small power. Question. Kennedy keys are used for applications like. Answer. Option C. Rough and heavy service. Question. According to IBR, Indian boiler regulations, the following type of joint is preferred for circumferential joint. Answer. Option A. Lap joint. Question. IS Indian standards specifies following total number of grades of tolerance. Answer. Option A. 18. Question. Ball bearing type screws find application in. Answer. Option D. Steering mechanism. Question. Applications in which stresses are encountered in one direction only uses following type of threads. Answer. Option B. Buttress thread. Question. Taper usually provided on cottage. Answer. Option C. 1 in 24. Question. Rankine's theory of failure is applicable for following type of materials. Answer. Option A. Brittle. Question. The economizer is used in boilers too. Answer. Option A. Increase thermal efficiency of boiler. Question. Film boiling occurs at. Answer. Option D. Very high pressures. Question. The correct sequence of location of equipment in the flue gas path from furnace exit up to chimneys. Answer. Option A. Superheater, economizer, air heater AH, electrostatic precipitator EP, induced draft fans ID fan. Question. Clearance ratio in steam engine is the ratio of clearance volume to. Answer. Option A. Swept volume. Question. The condition of steam in boiler drum is always. Answer. Option B. Wet. Question. Hard coke is used in. Answer. Option C. Blast furnace. Question. Moment of inertia of circular area whose diameter is d about an axis perpendicular to the area passing through its center is given by. Answer. Option B. Pi d की power 4 upon 32. Question. Forces are called concurrent when their lines of action meet in. Answer. Option A. 1 point. Question. A framed structure is perfect if it contains members equal to. Answer. Option A. 2n minus 3. Question. The blades of gas turbine are made of. Answer. Option D. High nickel alloy, mnemonic. Question. Surging is the phenomenon of. Answer. Option C. Unsteady, periodic and reversed flow. Question. The thermodynamic efficiency of rotary compressor is based on. Answer. Option B. Adiabatic compression. Question. Modulus of rigidity is defined as the ratio of. Answer. Option C. Shear stress to shear strain. Question. The circumferential stress induced in a thin-walled cylindrical vessel is. Answer. Option A. PD upon 2T. Question. Section modulus Z is expressed as? Answer option A, I upon y. Question. Zero bending moment in a fixed beam of length L carrying uniformly distributed load will occur at? Answer option A, L upon 2. Question. Principal plane is one which carries? Answer option A, no shear stress. Question. A column is defined as short column if? Option B, the ratio of its effective length to the least lateral dimension is less than 15. Correct. A column is defined as short column if? Option C, the ratio of its effective length to least radius of gyration is less than 50. Correct. Answer option D, both B and C above correct. Question. Dilatometer is an instrument used for measuring? Answer option B, expansion contraction due to change in temperature. Question. Maximum deflection in a beam supported freely at both ends due to a central load P at middle is? Answer option A, P L cube upon 48 EI. Question. The moment diagram for a cantilever beam whose free end is subjected to a bending moment will be? Answer option B, rectangle. Question. The leaks in a refrigeration system using ammonia are detected by? Answer option B, sulfur sticks which on detection give white smoke. Question. Air refrigeration operates on? Answer option D, Brayton cycle. Question. In cooling tower, water is cooled by the process of? Answer option C, evaporation. Question. Hard mechanism has? Answer option B, 6 links. Question. Coriolis component is encountered in? Answer option A, quick return mechanism of shaper. Question. Cam size depends upon? Answer option A, base circle. Question. A ward governor could be classified as? Answer option B, pendulum type governor. Question. The example of rolling pair is? Answer option D, ball bearing and roller bearing. Question. Which of the following organization is best suited for steel plants? Answer option C, line, staff and functional organization. Question. Father of time study was? Answer option A, F.W. Taylor. Question. High carbon steel carries carbon percentage of? Answer option D, 0.8 to 1.5%. Question. Perlite is a combination of? Answer option A, ferrite and cementite. Question. Diesel cycle consists of following four processes? Answer option C, 2 isentropics, 1 constant volume and 1 constant pressure. Question. For a floating body to be in stable equilibrium, its meta center should be? Answer option D, above the center of gravity. Question. Ratio of inertia force to elastic force is known as? Answer option A, Mach number. Question. Unit of thermal diffusivity is? Answer option A, meter square per hour. Question: A two-stroke crank compressed engine has following ports in the cylinder. Answer: option D, सक्शन पोर्ट, एग्जॉस्ट पोर्ट एंड ट्रांसफर पोर्ट। फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, यदि आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को अधिक से अधिक शेयर कीजिए।